Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So funny story, I filmed this video earlier today and I was about to go and wash off my face right now and then I remembered I never filmed an intro. Hello. So as y'all know by the title, today I'm going to be creating or recreating a picture by Nikkie Tutorials. I'll make sure to have the picture somewhere here on the screen so that y'all can see it better than on my phone. But yeah, I just used the products that I have. I made it work, kind of. I hope I did it some justice. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for bed now, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And bye! Welcome back to my face. Right now I must be looking pretty scary, and that's because I only have my eyebrows and a primer done, and that's because I feel like with this look there's gonna be a ton of fallout, so I just want to make sure that I'm able to clean everything up at the end. I have never attempted to do something like this before, but let's try it out. So I'm going to be, as you guys know, I'm going to be following this picture right here by Miss Nikkie, and I'm going to try to do my best to recreate this look with whatever products I already have. I'm going to treat this as if it were a cut crease, so I'm just going to go from there. First, she has like a really red and orangey crease. It's like my one colorful palette I have. This is the Beige Cosmetics 120 color palette by just laying down a red all over my crease, and it looks like she has it all around. So let's start there. And I'm not worrying too much about placement right now. Like, I'm not worrying about if it gets on the lid because we're gonna have to carve that out anyways. But I am going to bring it down into the corners. So I'm going to bring it out into this part, the outer corner and the inner corner. And that to me is looking a little bit pink, so I'm just going to keep building up that red until it looks red. Now with that, I'm going to dip into my electric palette. I'm going to grab this orange. It's called Slow Burn. It looks like she has some kind of like more red shade on both corners. So I'm going to take kind of like a deep red that looks kind of purple, if that kind of makes sense. But because I don't have that color, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this red shade and mix it in with this deep purple. Just take a little bit of that and then a little bit of that to make kind of that burnt red. And I'm going to start stamping it in to both the inner and outer corner. I'm going to take a black on this same exact brush that I've been using. And the reason why I'm going in with the black is because the pigment is already so saturated in there that no matter if I put a black in it, it's not going to make it look black. It's just going to deepen up the color and it's going to make it look how I want it to. I'm just going to mix the red and the purple again and put it over top of the black. It's looking very crazy right now, but hopefully it'll come together by the end. Hopefully. So now this is the time that I want to treat it as if it was a cut crease. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral and this tiny, tiny e.l.f. brush. This is just going to help me get the placement that I want. So I'm just going to open up my concealer and into what's already on the tube. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just place this down on the lid. Oh, perfect. Okay, so you see that? I opened my eye, and that's a good indicator. When you open your eye and just kind of look around, this is going to transfer the concealer up into the crease, and that's the point that you want to go till with your concealer. So I'm glad I did that. And because I don't want to mix the pigment with the concealer, I'm just going to be tapping the concealer in as opposed to rubbing it in. And I'm going to just tap the edges. My Jaclyn Hill palette and use this color right here. It's in the color, I think it's Sissy. And put it over top of the wet concealer. And just to help everything blend together, I'm going to take that same brush we've been using and blend, especially on the sides of it. It looks like Nikkie has a very bright yellow line on her crease. But before I do that, I'm going to take any clean blending brush. So let's attempt to do that line. So I'm gonna try this. I don't know if it's gonna work, and I hope I don't ruin the whole look, which I probably will. This is the MAC Pure Show liner. Do a line right there. Okay, that's not too bad. Not bad, but that's not the brightness that I'm looking for. Maybe because it is so wet right now, I can take that small brush, dip it into that bright yellow. I'm gonna keep building that up until I feel like I have reached the pigmentation that I want. But it's looking pretty okay. I think that's good. Can you see how it glitters like around that? I don't think it's like perfect, but it's good. Okay, next I'm going to take an eyeliner, a black eyeliner, and I'm gonna do a wing. Next, I think I'm just gonna leave the eye as it is right now. This is what it's looking like. I am going to do my other eye off camera, and hopefully it comes together. Okay. My foundation and my concealer done, and that's because I don't want to have my foundation routine in every single video because it just makes them longer. I'm gonna go ahead and bake right now, and we will proceed with the rest of the eye look. Now that that's baking, I'm just gonna go ahead and start bronzing my face. To bronze, I'm going to use the Colourpop and Alexis Ren bronzer. Mine broke, and I have it in this e.l.f. Cosmetics thing again. So we're getting there. We are getting there. For the under eye, she has purple on the outer part, and then some blue, like light blue on the inner part. The Jaclyn Hill palette has this blue right here. Actually, this blue looks more like it. I'm gonna take Pool Party. For my waterline, I'm gonna take this NYX pencil in the shade Teal. I'm going to take this color, and it's the color Royalty. Okay, so now that we're at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and do my blush. For blush, I'm going to take my Milani Luminoso, because it's just a nice peachy blush, and it looks like she's wearing a peachy blush in her picture. And I'm gonna mostly put it out here instead of like right on my apple. I'm gonna blend it in with that bronzer. Now I'm gonna do highlight, and for highlight, she has like a very stark white highlight. So I'm gonna be taking my Pearl highlighter from Becca and Jaclyn Hill back in the day. I also want to highlight the inner corner because that looks like something that she has going on in her picture. And now I am going to do my mascara, and then I'll show you what I use for lips, and we'll be done. Okay, there's my mascara. Same 3 mascaras down in the description bar. Look it up. But it's a not glossy nude lip, and I am just going to attempt to recreate it using my own products. I'm going to be taking the Lime Crime lipstick in Pom Pom. This is the MAC Dazzleglass in Bare Necessity. Alright guys, so this is it. I think that it turned out pretty okay. I know it's not like 100% like the picture, but I just did the best I could with the products that I have here at home. Please let me know if there's another look that you guys want to like see me recreate. But other than that, I hope you guys really enjoy this, and I hope to see you guys here on the next video. Oh, subscribe, watch my other videos. I hope you all have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye! Okay, now that that's baking, oh, everything's looking pretty decent.